Candle-based scalping for morning option traders. This strategy leverages candlestick patterns and price action to capitalize on the high volatility and liquidity during the morning market session. It's ideal for quick trades between 9:30 a.m. and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, EST. What you'll need: 1. Candlestick patterns, engulfing candles, bullish, bearish, Marubozu, hammer, inverted hammer, morning star, evening star. 2. Technical indicators, 5 EMA and 20 EMA. To confirm the trend, volume analysis for strength confirmation, RSI, 14. Avoid overbought, oversold zones. 3. Chart time frame. Use 1-minute or 3-minute charts for quick scalping. 4. Option selection. Stick to ATM or slightly ITM options for better liquidity and fast response. How to enter a trade. 1. Spot a momentum candle. Look for a strong bullish or bearish candle with high volume in the trend's direction. The candle's body should be much larger than the wicks. 2. Check indicators for confirmation. For calls, price above the 5 EMA and RSI in the 40-70 range. For puts, price below the 5 EMA and RSI in the 30-60 range. Avoid extremes in RSI to dodge false signals. 3. Break key levels. Watch for breakouts from pre-market highs, lows, pivot points, or significant support resistance levels. 4. Enter after confirmation. As the next candle begins moving in the breakout direction, place your trade, exiting the trade. 1. Fixed target. Look for a 0.51% move in the underlying asset or a 20-30% gain in the option premium. 2. Trailing stop loss. Shift your stop loss to break even after a 15-20% gain in the premium. Borrow. 3. Time-based exit. If the trade doesn't hit your target, exit within 3-5 candles after entering. 4. Strict stop loss. Set a stop loss of 10-15% of the premium value or the low high of the entry candle. What trade? Risk management. Position sizing. Risk no more than 1-2% of your capital per trade. Limit trades. Avoid overtrading. Stick to 3-5 trades per day. Liquidity matters. Trade high-volume options for smooth execution. Step-by-step workflow. 1. 9:30-9:35 a.m. Observe the opening range and mark key levels. Spot any promising candlestick patterns forming. Now, let's see. 2. 9:35-9:45 a.m. Look for breakouts with strong volume above or below key levels. Enter the trade if the candlestick pattern, EMA and RSI aligned. See 3. 9:45 at 10:45 a.m. Continue hunting for setups, but be cautious of waning momentum after 10:45 a.m. Pro tips for scalping success. Trade high beta stocks or indices. Focus on NASDAQ, S&P 500, or stocks like Nvidia and Tesla. Avoid news events. Large gaps or news-driven moves can trigger false signals. Stay disciplined, follow your strategy, and don't let emotions take over. Final thoughts. This structured approach is perfect for scalping options in volatile markets. Stick to the rules, manage your risks, and enjoy the thrill of quick profits. There are more videos and playlists if you would like to deeper dive into any points. Please check it out.